Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as you guys can see, I just got an OTA update for my Galaxy Note 8. So, as you guys can see, it's a May security patch and it's 643 megabytes. So, let's install this update and I'll tell you guys what's new in this and what are the new features. First of all, let's just check out these website link which is present in this update. So, let's check it out. So the website is not telling me anything about the new update. Okay, let's just go back and download the update, and I'll catch you guys when the update is downloaded. So update is downloaded and is installing right now. It's gonna take some time, and according to the temperature of your area, your handset can heat up. Okay, let's wait. So I just finished installing the update and I've used it for like 1 to 2 hours, and as you guys can see, it's still installing something. And let's check the security patch month and about phone software information. So as you can see, this is the latest security patch. It's let me just focus it. May 1st 2018, so it is the latest patch. I have not found many problems in this update, so I'm gonna tell you what problems I found and what other features are updated or something like that in this update. And so first of all, let me just check. Alright, this is a secret menu to check your handset. This is only for Samsung devices. Okay, this is working. The colors are working, so let's check out the receiver. It is working as well. Vibration, it is working. Alright, let's check the sensor. As you guys can see, the proximity sensor is working absolutely fine. Okay, let's just go back. Okay, the grip sensor is working fine as well. So let's check the LED. It is also working fine. So let's just check out the iris scanner. As you guys can see, it is working as well. So let's just check the fluency of the phone. And okay, let me just go back and okay, so it is not lagging as I am checking this update, and it is quite fluent, and the phone is also not heating, but I'm not sure about the battery performance. It might be decreased or increased. So if you like this video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification, because I'm not gonna be uploading way too many videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.